Welcome to the channel. Let's start with the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have green chilies, coconut chunks, some coriander, salt and cumin. Take 160 grams of coconut. Coconut is rich in fiber, is a good source of copper, manganese and iron, contains B vitamins, is rich in electrolytes and boosts energy. 100 grams of it contains 371 kilocalories. Now add same amount of coriander. Add a tablespoon of cumin. Add salt to taste. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. Add little bit of water. Blend everything. Serve and enjoy. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.